Tutti fruits. Let's go! A is for apple. Splash, splash, splash. Beers. B is for banana. Slippy tap slidey. Yeah! C is for cherry. 1, 2, yum. D is for dragon fruit. Pink and bright. E is for elderberry. Tiny and round. F is for fig, funny, honey. G is for grapes, bouncy, bubbly. H is for honeydew, happy, yummy. I is for ice apple, chilly willy. J is for jackfruit, jumpy, bumpy. K is for kiwi, kicky, picky. L is for lemon, lovely, lolly. M is for mango, yummy tummy. N is for nectarine,